Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on patterns. Engaging with patterns is important for students because it helps them in the area of problem solving. Working with patterns requires students to pay attention and look for some regular sequence. This is one of the skills required to become a good problem solver. Now I've got three simple patterns here just to give you an example of what you could give to the students, and I'm sure you can think of many others. The above is an example of a very simple pattern. The next object in the pattern is a circle with the same shape and size, and you can explain to students why that is the case. The next object in the above pattern is a triangle with the same shape and size. So you go through the pattern with the students and explain to them why the next one is a triangle. The next three shapes in the above pattern are a star, an arrow, and a rectangle with the same shape and size. So you would explain to students why that is the case. Now here are some examples you can give them. Find the next term in each of the following patterns. So here's your pattern. They find the next term. Same for here, here, and here. So make sure they understand that they have to look for something that's regular, that keeps repeating. That's the secret. Something that keeps repeating and is regular, and that helps them find the next term. Find the next two terms in each of the following patterns. So this time you've got two terms that you have to find at the end. So explain to them what's going on in each of these patterns here, and they can work out what the next two are. Example 3. Find the next three terms in each of the following pattern. So here we are, there's our pattern here, and we just put the three terms there. Example 4, find the missing object in the following pattern. So there's something here that's missing, so help them to do it by explaining to them what's going on and what this object could be so that everything is very regular. Example 5, choose the correct colour for the circle that is not coloured in. So they will look very carefully at these colours and then they'll pick the correct colour here. And choose the correct colours for the objects that are not coloured in. So here we have three objects and we have to choose the correct colour using these hints here. So this video has given students some introduction into patterns, and this helps them to become good problem solvers in the future.